What's up guys, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be replacing the third brake light on my 2006 Ford F150. This is going to be the same install process for 2004 to 2008 and I believe even for some of the higher years as well. Let me know down below in the comments if I'm right or wrong. So as far as this install goes, it's very easy, very straightforward. So it's going to be a pretty short video. Let me go ahead and show you the new third brake light and then I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need. So as far as the third brake light goes, I have this one here I got off Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link for this exact one down below in the description. Obviously you'll have a better idea of how it looks once I take the plastic off. I'm going to wait until it's actually installed, that way I don't have to worry about scratching it or scuffing it up. But it is LED, which is why there's no bulbs behind here. And then that comes with seal. You're only going to need this outer part, not the middle part. This is going to be so that, water doesn't get in. I'll show you how to install that, but it's super easy. It has adhesive as well. You're going to want a Phillips. I'm using a drill with a Phillips attachment. Screws are actually really long. So, you want to be careful with this, especially when tightening it up, because you don't want to break the housing or the third brake light. Some water and then a microfiber. So let me show you the third brake light, the old one. Everyone knows how that looks. As you can see, it's just faded and white. I mean, it's normal. It's 2006, so it definitely has years on it. The reason I'm changing it is not because it doesn't work, just because I'm going with the black and white style. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop on to the bed and then show you how to remove the third brake light. Really quick, I forgot to mention that the third brake light also comes with these silicone or rubber washers. I'm assuming that way we can put it in where the screw goes. That way it's just an extra form of sealant, so that way water doesn't go through. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove the two screws right here. As I mentioned, they're long, so that's why I use the drill. There's the second one. So once that's off, you should be able to wiggle it out. You're going to see some attachments here, just like any other bulb. Screw it off. And you're going to have a little clip that goes into here. Just take those two off. There's the old one. And you're going to want to go ahead and take the bulbs off. You just gently grab and wiggle it out. Boom, as easy as that. So once you have those three taken out, let's go ahead and clean it off. So as you can see, it's all dirty around here. So I'm just going to put some on the microfiber. So it should be good there. We're going to go ahead and grab this foam right here that comes with the third brake light. Then we're going to put it on. That's off right there. This old one comes with the foam as well, so it's already on here. So you want to put this onto here. So you're going to want to feed those in there like that. Line this up. And you can just push it down once you know you're good to go. Make sure it's nicely pressed down there. So now we're going to want to go ahead and connect the third brake light, the new one, to these right here. You want to make sure that you have your third brake light facing the right way. So this is the part that's towards me, and then this longer part obviously is on top. So you're going to want to do in the same order as they are here. We'll go to the first one. There's one. Go to the second one. There's two. And the last one. And there's three. So all three are on. Before I start putting everything back, I'm going to go ahead and see if it lights up. So there you go. So they work. Now obviously once I have it on, I'm going to go ahead and hit the brake and then we'll see the red light up. Feed these back in here. Sure the metal clips are lined up. Looks good there. Now I can take this off and I'm going to go ahead and grab the little washers that it came with. Here they are. Easiest way is probably just putting it in the screw first. Get that there. Grab the other one. And then you want to gently screw this in if you're using a drill especially. Just make sure it's getting threaded. You want to evenly do it on both sides. Because don't screw it in all the way the first time. You don't want to break anything. And then if you feel more comfortable too, before you make sure it's all the way tight, you could go ahead and get a regular screwdriver. That way you make sure it's as tight as you can go without going too tight. So there you go. It's on. I'm gonna wipe this off. Let's show you how it looks. There you go, nice and flush. Seal should help a lot with water. And yeah, it's on there. Perfect fit. Let me go ahead and set this down and we'll see if it properly works. So there you have it. That's how you remove and install your third brake light on your 2006 Ford F-150. Very easy install. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment down below. And then obviously I have the link to this exact third brake light in the description. This is a very nice one compared to a lot of the other ones. Gives it more of the modernized look, especially with the center part of the actual brake light being like that round halo. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy it. Feel free to check that out down below in the link. Please comment if you have any questions. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support. See you in the next video. Peace.